Natural sleep remedies. Say goodbye to insomnia. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Your Health Lab, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we'll discuss a common issue that many of us face: difficulties falling asleep. You are not alone if you find yourself having trouble sleeping at night, unable to get the peaceful sleep you need. But don't worry. We have a tried and true alternative to medication that can help you sleep like a baby. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Remedy 1. Herbal tea. A warm cup of herbal tea is one of the simplest and most effective ways to prepare your body for a good night's sleep. The calming properties of chamomile, valerian root, and lavender teas are well known. They can help reduce anxiety, relax your muscles, and make it easier to fall asleep. Simply steep a tea bag or a teaspoon of loose herbs in hot water for 30 minutes before bedtime and enjoy your tea. It's a relaxing way to unwind and signal to your body that it's time to unwind. Remedy 2. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is another fantastic natural remedy. The aroma of lavender essential oil is well known for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bedroom diffuser or mix a couple of drops with a carrier oil and apply it to your pulse points before bed. The relaxing aroma will help you to relax your mind and prepare you for a good night's sleep. Remedy 3. Relaxing evening routine. Creating a relaxing evening routine can also help you sleep better. Try just to relax for an hour or so before going to bed. This could include reading a book, doing gentle yoga, or taking a warm Epsom salt bath. These activities can help you reduce stress and relax your body, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. Remedy 4. Sleep-inducing foods. Last but not least, let us discuss sleep-inducing foods. Some foods contain compounds that can help you sleep. Bananas, almonds, and warm milk are all good options. Tryptophan, found in bananas, can help your body produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate sleep. Almonds contain magnesium, which can relax your muscles, and warm milk contains tryptophan, a soothing amino acid. So there you have it, 4 proven alternatives to medication for a good night's sleep. Remember that results may take some time to appear, so be patient and consistent with these remedies. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who may be experiencing sleeplessness as well. As always, if you have any questions or would like to share your own sleep remedies, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.